G'day, are you planning your next adventure but struggle to fit that traditional style folding solar panel? Well, check out this nifty bit of kit from XTM, the 120 watt folding solar blanket. Folds up to next to nothing while still pumping out plenty of juice. So let's start with the all important stuff first. This 120 watt solar blanket will dish out just over 6.6 amps at 18 volts per hour, which means on average 6 hours a day, you're going to pump 40 amps back into your battery. It comes with an easy-to-use regulator with an LCD display as well as 2 USB charging ports. And with the 5 metre long cable, means you can charge anything, just about anywhere. So the best thing about this folding solar blanket is that it's super compact, which means once you're finished, simply fold it up, chuck it back in the protective case, and it's ready to tuck away in any of those nooks and crannies that you always have left once you've packed up your vehicle. So if space is a premium in your rig, you need to get yourself one of these. The XTM 120 watt folding solar blanket. Small on size, big on power. Cheers.